Sophia stepped into Bella Capelli, a chic hair salon tucked away on the bustling streets of New Delhi, eager to embrace a fresh start. As she entered, the welcoming jingle of the bell and the soothing aroma of lavender greeted her. The salon was buzzing with activity, but the atmosphere remained serene and inviting. Greeted warmly by Anjali, the salon's renowned stylist, Sophia expressed her desire for a drastic change. "I'm thinking of going short, really short," Sophia declared with a mix of excitement and nerves. Anjali's eyes sparkled with enthusiasm. She loved clients who were ready for bold transformations. As Sophia settled into the stylist's chair, Anjali draped a cape over her and began the consultation, discussing face shape, lifestyle, and maintenance. Sophia, feeling reassured by Anjali's expertise, decided on a chic boba style she had never dared to try before. With each snip and trim, Sophia's anxiety melted away, replaced by a growing confidence. Anjali worked meticulously, transforming long locks into a stylish, modern bob that framed Sophia's face perfectly. The salon's mirrors reflected not just a new hairstyle, but a new beginning for Sophia. Conversations flowed easily between them, touching on fashion, self-care, and new beginnings. By the end of the session, Sophia not only had a stunning new look, but also felt revitalized from within. As she left the salon, Sophia couldn't help but smile at her reflection in the glass door. The world seemed inviting and full of possibilities. With a final wave to Anjali, she stepped out into the city, ready to explore life with her new look and renewed spirit. Hope you enjoyed this short story. Stay tuned for more.